we have seen different graphs like bar graphs we have seen, double bar graph we have seen, and we have also seen histograms. Each one is having its specific value and its own advantages. Now let us see a different type of graph called circular graph. So this graph will be in the shape of circle. Now consider a school boy. He is going to school, coming back, and he is doing the homework. Like this, he is doing certain activities. So all activities are taken, and how much time he is going to spend, that we will study. That we will represent in form of a graph. So if we are taking a bar graph, what we will do? In a graph, we will take to go to school and spend some time in the school, some hours for playing, some hours for sleeping, some hours. Like this, we are drawing a bar graph. The same we will do it in a circular graph. Let us see how it will be. First, let us take a bigger part. Say for example, for sleep, he is spending 8 hours. So what we will do is, eight hours for sleeping, 8 hours. And next, say school, he is spending around 6 hours. Then for playing, say he is spending around 3 hours. Next, homework, 4 hours. Homework, 4 hours. Now, if you see, for a day, it will be totally of 24 hours. So, 8 plus 6, 14, 17 plus 4, 21. What is the remaining? 3 hours. So, for other activities, 3 hours. Now, let us understand. This is a bar graph. The same data is represented in a circular form. What we are doing is, the total is 24 hours. That we are dividing into smaller parts. Each part, how much it is taking, that we are specifying. When this is 8 hours, we have taken a big sector. The whole circle is divided into different sectors, and if we are having only 3 hours, a smaller part, then smaller sector we are taking. If this is little bit more, 4 hours. If it is more, 8 hours, bigger sector. Like that, we are keeping the information in form of a circle. In a whole, a small part, how much time it is taking or how much part it is taking, based on that we are allocating the area and we are drawing in form of a circle. A circular graph shows a relationship between a whole and a part. A circular graph shows a relationship between a whole and a part. This is called circular graph, and the name given to this is pie chart. This is also called pie chart. We will name it as pie chart. The circular graph is known as pie chart. Now let us understand the concept by taking one more example. In a town, the different age groups are there. A study is conducted, and based on that, let us see how do we do. 0 to 14. 0 to 14 years are 30,000. next 15 to 60 years, or 15 to 60 years are around 50,000. Then above 60 are 20,000. Totally 1 lakh people are taken in a town. 1 lakh people are there, and in 1 lakh 50,000 people are between 50 to 60 age years, and above 60 20,000. 0 to 14 years 30,000. Now what we have done for those 1 lakh people, this is a 50,000 people. So 50,000, so it will be exactly off. So 50% off of them. So we have taken off of the circle. So next 0 to 14 years 30,000 are there. So proportionately we have divided the sectors and we have made the pie chart. This is called pie chart.